Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to continue with the Excel using Python. So basically in the last lectures we have seen about loading how to load a workbook using Openpyxl library of Python, then loading workbook, then accessing cells, worksheet slicing, and fetching all rows and columns. Okay, so if you have not watched these videos, you can just refer the playlist here. Okay. So today what we are going to do is we are going to access the sheet data using row and column. Okay, like row wise and column wise separately. Okay, so first I will load the workbook. So to load the workbook, the Excel is the alias given for Openpyxl Excel library. So basically here you can see I have imported Openpyxl as Excel. Okay, so Excel dot load workbook and the name of the Excel file. Okay, and the sheet one in that Excel I have named it to. So basically if you go here and if you can see the sheet here, so this is the sheet one. Okay, and these are the values. So 110, 2, 3, A, 4, 5, 6, A, 7, 8, 9, A. Okay, and we are in the sheet one. Okay, so let's close this and get back here. Okay, so now to see the rows and columns, we are assigning the rows into tuple. So basically we are giving ws.rows and ws.columns. So basically sheet a1, this is in the format of tuple. Okay, and to access it row wise, what you can do is you can just define all rows is equal to tuple of ws.rows. Okay, and for I in all rows, for j in I, print j.values. So this will give you the values row wise. Okay, so basically 110 you had seen, I think so. So let's open this for reference. Okay, so 110, 2, 3, A, 4, 5, 6, A, 7, 8, 9, A. Okay, so those are the values, right? So those are as row wise. Okay, and for column wise, what you can do is ws.columns, and then for I in all rows, for j in I, print j.value. So similarly just replace this rows with ws.columns. Okay, like this. So 110 4 7 will get 110 4 7. So basically we'll get 110 4 7 2 5 8 3 6 9 AAA. Okay, so this is how you get it column wise. And if you want to access this entire sheet, what you can do is for I in ws.values, so basically values, for j in I, print j. That's it. Okay, so you will get the entire sheet basically. Okay, so this was a short video based on how you can access the sheet data row wise and column wise. Okay, so hope you learned and understood something from this video. If you do hit the subscribe button. Until then, take care. Bye bye.